Hello friends, good evening and welcome to Omega Stock Pro, and this is Jaiswan, and this is the Nifty video for next week. How the setup will be, what is the momentum going on. So let us quickly go on to the charts, and I have taken the hourly chart and the hourly time frame. I have put some indicators which work for me. I have back tested it very well, and even the manipulators, even though whatever they are manipulating with volume, without a volume, and I have curved everything into that. I have added everything into that, and I have come to a conclusion. These are the cyclicals which work. Okay, so this is the hourly time frame. If you see the hourly time frame, and there was good momentum. We were bullish at around 9,000 or 8,000 something, and market reversed from there, and beautifully it came up here. But here we are seeing there is bearishness, and there is a downside in the momentum indicator which I am using. Why I am very careful while using these indicators. It is lagging, but momentum is not continuing in the same way. Okay, if you see here, if it is possible for you, here I am pointing out the my mouse pointer. Here it came down, and from there you can see, even though after giving the bearish signal, market went up to made a new lifetime high around 12,400. From there people became very bullish at the time, and some this coronavirus news was not there at the time while we were discussing, and you may remember that we were bearish at 12,400, and up it came down again, it bounced where people thought that this is a buy on dip, but that was not buy on dip, because here the cyclical indicator was showing a downfall. You see how the market came down after that. Okay, and after the cyclical momentum here, it came around 9,000. If you remember, we were bullish, and from 9,000 market came up to 12,000. Okay, why here also I'll show you a little bit. This was when the new central government was formed. Um, at that time also we were bearish, and see how the momentum indicator here it came, but because of the uh, exit poll, it gave a breakout to the upside. Okay, no problem, it is good, market has to go up. Here it became bullish, but when the momentum indicator came down, and that continued, here you can see here in this point, and momentum did not continue well, and it came down, and from there 12,000 to 10,700. This is the correction which came down. And even if I go back, you can see here it came down, and just a moment, it is taking time. And here it is 2018, and from 2018 it gave a very bullish signal, buy on dip signal, and beautifully the market went up. Here you can see, if it is visible to you, and here it gave a bearish signal, and people at this time also thought that okay, it is buy on dip. Okay, people buy here, and eventually they fall. So there is a time to buy and there is a time to sell. We have to follow the cycle of the market. Okay, so now, so let us not go very backwards, just we'll be here. And here you can see, I'm not saying that market cannot make a new all-time high here. It may, but the momentum is not sustaining now. We need the momentum, we need genuine buying. So in this condition, what will happen if you go and buy and dip? Suppose for example, we'll see many a time we saw that we have to buy on dip, but here we were very clear that market is showing a very sharp and the hourly time frame, this is drastically come down, and many times it came and hit this moving average here. And so we have to be very much careful in this place. How the market corrected from 12,000 to 11,800 to 10,800, so 1,000 point, nobody puts a 1,000 point stop loss. Okay, so because of this bearish signal, now there is no good news at all. Even if the vaccine comes, what is the business going to grow? The market has recovered up to the book value and more than that. So in another some other video, I will explain how the market came up, how the market will go further, how the market will decline. Everything is there, and who are the people who are buying and all, and you too can make money like that. Okay, and you see the momentum is coming down and the market is moving up. This is not a good sign. And slowly, if the market comes below here, then there will be a very sharp fall. So we have to wait and watch. So this is a sell on rise market now. So we have to wait until there is a very good bullishness in the market. Then it will that will come to our notice, and slowly we can. But we are not running anywhere, and we need not to be in a hurry also. So slowly and steadily we will recover. When the market recovers, we will buy on dips. Now we will sell on rise. And where to sell? See here, market has gone up. Here it is down. It sold, market came down. Again it touched here. This is, you know that this is a 37 period RSI. Again it went to 60 levels. From there people sold. Let me show the candle how it came. See here, here it is 30, and see it made how sharply it fell. So people are selling at the higher side. So you don't be in hurry. So market will come and retouch these places: 11,600, 11,700, 11,600, and around 11,300 or 500 somewhere there will be the bottom, a normal bottom. And we have to be very careful. If there is a genuine buying, this will not happen. And now it has come down below 60, 70. And once this red line comes below 70, what will happen? Then this type of fall will come. You see how drastically market has fallen. 11,200 to it came up to 7,600. So every time that momentum may not be there, but you can see here also how it came down. 1 or 2 days it moved up, then it came down very sharply. So here also you can see it went up, and once it came down here, then market started consolidating, and this fell very slowly, no problem, but the indication was already here to exit from all the trades. So this is how market works. So I have gave the actual momentum on which side market is moving. So we need to be on alert. Okay. So you can join my free Telegram channel on Bank Nifty and other stocks. I give levels during the live market for educational purpose, and those levels will be very useful for you. I believe that that will be very useful for you during the live market with your analysis. So that is all for today, and happy trading for next week. Be on alert. Don't buy on dips for now. If you are holding in the quality stocks, no problem with that, but not aggressive buying is my suggestion at this point of view. Okay, thank you very much. Bye bye.